In this video lesson I will show you I have received a harmonic scanner pattern inside the notification tab about Australian dollar against Swiss franc, and you can see it is a daily time frame with a pattern which is a bat, and it is a bearish bat pattern, and I have received it yesterday over the Telegram, and you can see that the risk to reward is 4.37, which is a great risk to reward ratio. When you go to the chart, click on it and you will be redirected here with the chart where this pattern is available, and what you can see, it is a potential reversal zone where is the entry idea, and also we have a stop loss located here with the first take profit and the second take profit. So this is the scanner, how it forms this bat pattern on the chart, and you can see it on the chart, it is a green colored, where we have X point, A point, B point, C point and a D point. For the bat pattern, if you have not seen my analysis before, you can see what is the idea about the bat pattern and what is the most profitable and also successful bat pattern formation. And just to repeat that again, so you can also, if you have not watched the previous analysis, just so for your information, this is very critical. So the first, what is important is the trend. The trend must be for a very long time formed on the chart, and you can see that it is this downtrend. Then the bat pattern should have formation like this, that it is formed that the price is outside of this downtrend, and it is forming here potential reversal zone that is pointing that it will continue to move in the direction of the trend. So we have here a downtrend where the price has gone outside of this trend, and then formed here a potential reversal zone where it's pointing that it will continue to move down in the direction of the trend. So this most of the time it is the best scenario for the bat pattern format to be in line with the trend. So if we go in the previous week analysis, you will see on the channel here that harmonic bat pattern for the GBP against Poland currency is visible here. And you can see it here, the potential reversal zone was here where the stop loss at 5.5. You can see it here also. Let's stretch this in the full screen so you can see it much more clearly. You can see it has formed a downtrend, and then the price has gone outside of the trend, and you can see it has formed here a potential reversal zone that is pointing that the price could reverse back down and go in the direction of the trend. So if we go to the scanner and see how this looks right now, let's see GBP LN, you'll see that price is following this scenario, and you can see that the price has reversed back down and going, and it has reached already first take profit. The potential reversal zone was here, but also it was stretched up to here. You can see that right here, the potential reversal zone was at 5.46, and here, the price has reached 5.46. right here where the scanner has pointed, and the first profit target is here at 5.28. The price has reached. So you can see who has traded this pattern, it can easily move the stop loss down to the break even or even more down here. So you can see how this bat pattern has played just as the scanner has pointed, as a bat pattern has formed. Let's go back to the Australian dollar against Swiss franc. So you can see it is similar pattern that is forming here, but also you can see it has stop loss here, a potential reversal zone. So now we need to make the analysis just to confirm are these entry ideas okay, in line with the technical analysis. And this is something that I'm going to do right now. I will quickly put also these just a minute, turn off all the patterns. I will put horizontal support and resistance lines here, just to see on the monthly time frame, just to see where the price is bouncing. Let's go from the lower part. Okay, just a minute, there is no more price, so we will put this one here. Let's put it here. It should be red colored. And the thickness should be the third level. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, this one is here. Let's put another one. The support and resistance where the price is mostly touching those price levels. This is okay. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. We'll remove all the patterns. You can use this here, show hide all button. Okay, where are the monthly? Just a minute, we need to change the settings so it is visible also on the weeks. We need to see these higher time frames visible always on the smaller time frames. Okay, now let's go to the weekly. Okay, we have the lines here, remove all patterns, let's put another one. But let's change the thickness, should be on the lower. And let's see where the price is touching. This one is also good, here. Let's put another one here. It is also good. We can see the price is touching here and also here. And let's put this one also here on the bottom, the lower side. This is also good. Now let's move to the daily and see where are the levels, because we need that one here also. Let's put one. Let's just change the style, visibility, only days. This is okay, and the thickness should be the smallest one. So let's see where the price is touching. So this one is here. Okay, you can see it here, and the price is touching. Let's go to the upside a little bit more. We have it here also, like this. Then let's put another one here, where the price is touching the price level. Also on the bottom side we have it here. Okay, and let's put another one. This is also good. Now let's go to the monthly time frame and see, do we have a possibility to put a trend lines. Those will be a trend line that will be like this. The price is forming here a trend. You can see it. Let's change the visibility. That's also visible. Coordinate style, also the second thickness, the third thickness, sorry, biggest one. I will copy paste this one so it is parallel. Let's see, where do we have a trend? Here it is. Then we can go to the weekly time frame and see, do we have it visible here? Oh, let's go to the monthly. This one did not show on the weekly. This one is okay. This one is okay. Strange, not showing. Okay, I'll make this one here. Let's try again. Okay, this one is here, monthly. Okay, weekly. Now it's okay. This is good. Do we have a weekly? Yeah, we also have here a weekly trend line. Here it is. Let's change the visibility. I don't want to see it on the monthly time frame, and the thickness should be one step down. Let's copy this one here. I will put this one here like this. So we have a channel. This is good. And now we can go to the daily to see on the daily time frame what do we have it here. Okay, let's go back to the weekly. Why do not see it? This one here. Visibility on days. This is okay. And this one here on the days. It is okay. Daily. There is some kind of a glitch here on the charts, but it's okay. We will put this one here like this, and here it is. Needs to be zoomed out a little bit, that's okay. And we will fix these trend lines a little bit more based on the daily time frame. Let's do this one like this, and let's do this one like this. Now it's much better. Now we can go here a little bit closer to see how the daily time frame looks. Okay. And we can also make a trend line of the daily time frame like this. Change the visibility only on days. Style should be the lower thickness. And let's copy paste this one here and put this one here. So we have a channel here visible. Okay, now it's good. Now we can put a bad pattern visible on the chart just to see how this goes. Let's remove this one, hide, close all of them. Just put one more supply demand zones. Just a minute, rectangle. We need to put this one here. So the supply and demand zones are on the daily time frame only. And let's put them here. This is the one. Let's put another one here. This is demand zone. Okay, and here it is. Let's put one here. So the supply demand zone should cover a range around the support and resistance levels. So we know where the price could bounce. And let's put this one here also. Here it is on the upper side, here it is. Now we are ready, now we can show this pattern, how it looks. Okay, let's close this one here. And we have levels here. We will change only this one to the black color, sorry. So we can see these levels and the targets. Okay, show price text black, and also change this one like this, black. Change this one also to black, because I would like to see on the white background, we need to see the black text, stop loss entry. Okay, and this is it. Now you can see how this looks much better. Now we have technical analysis tools put on the chart, and we can see how this looks. We can make the analysis. So the downtrend is visible here. The price is currently in the uptrend. Let's put another trend line here for the daily time frame. Let's put it here so we can see how this goes. And this one goes here. Okay, now we can see it was a downtrend on the daily, it is on the weekly downtrend, and we have seen a breakout to the upside, go outside of the daily downtrend. Now it is in the uptrend, but it's still in the downtrend on the weekly and also monthly time frame. What we can see, it is at the potential reversal zone. It has formed right here under the supply zone, where the price is waiting for to push the price down. And here we have a monthly resistance line that is preventing the price from going up. We can see that the stop loss is just above a little bit more, and what we can see, it is still in the uptrend, so it is in the downtrend. So we can see here a first target is here below the first daily support, and the second one is on the second daily support. So we can make the analysis based on what we can see here. The potential reversal zone is just on the start of this supply zone, which means there is high probability that the price will go up and reach this area and then being pushed down. So the stop loss is visible right here. Is the stop loss right on the right place? I would say it is, because we can see in the past when the price was trying to go up, the price could not reach the price above this one. So I would like to move this potential reversal zone a little bit more up like this, so it is around these wicks on the upper side. So this is the area where I'm expecting that the price will continue to move up. I'm expecting that the price will go a little bit up You can see it here, and then from here look to make the entry. With the stop loss set here, as I can see it here, I would also move a stop loss a little bit more up, just to be in line with these wicks. If it is possible, would be better to go above, just to be on the safe side. So if the price makes a little bit larger wick on the upside, it will not touch this one and then make a reverse back down. So for the first take profit level, I will also move this one a little bit more up, because it is here as demand zone, where I'm expecting after the price makes a bounce from this, it drops down, it could reach this level. You can see in the past when the price was going down, the price has reached this price level here. So I would like to be on the safe side that the price reaches this one. If the price goes down and reaches the first take profit, I would move this stop loss to be break even, or at least in small profit, just in case the price reverses back up and goes against you. If that happens, you will end up with a profit, even if it's small. For the next take profit level, I will also like to move it a little bit more up, just to be here on the start of this supply zone, of this demand zone, sorry, because the price was, when was the price going out through this support, the price has continued to move down and has reached this area. You can see it here, it is the second support. But always the price is reached with at least with a wick this start of this demand zone, which means if the price goes down, it could reach with a wicks and then it can bounce back up, but it will be reached the target too. So this is the entry I would set up for this case, for this Australian dollar against Swiss franc, the trading idea for this bad pattern. So we will see in the next week how it looks. But if you have watched the 2 weeks ago the analysis I have made on the GBP against Poland currency, you have seen how the potential reversal zone has played well and the price has reached the first take profit. So let's see how this goes also in the next week, and I will still watch the GBP against Poland currency, how it plays. Will it reach the take profit 2 level, or it will reverse back up? But for now, if you have played, the great idea for me, it is my opinion, that to set to be a break even, or at least to be in small profit, just in case the price reverses back up. If you like this idea and you also like the bad pattern, how it looks, check also this Harmonics app scanner, because you have 7-day free trial and you can test it for yourself. Just have in mind that you need to also practice and also use a proper risk management. See you next time and happy trading!